Once you've completed your recipes and you've integrated your POS sales into cooking the books and drinking the profits, you can then link your sales to your recipe cards. To do this, navigate to Financial, and then the Sales tab. This is where you can review the imported sales report for a given date range. You can see the sales detail on the left, and under recipe name, if they have been linked to a recipe card. You can see here that none of these have been linked to a recipe card, but we have received all of the sales information including the quantity sold, the item sale price, and the final sale total after discounts here under the discounted amount. Because there are no recipes linked to these sales, there is no cost per portion. To link a recipe card to a sales item, you simply click the Link to Recipes button to view all of the imported sales results. You can now assign the corresponding recipe card to the sale item by clicking into the drop-down box and typing in the recipe card name. You can repeat this for all of the sales that need to have a recipe card attached to them. If you run the sales report again, you'll see that the sales items have been linked up to the corresponding recipe cards you have assigned to them, and a cost per portion has been calculated. Based on the sales information and the cost per portion, we can now see the theoretical cost and GP % for the sales. Using this information, you can then start running the analysis tools such as the Variance Report, Menu Builder, Menu Analysis, and Predictive Ordering.